Wednesday, April the 1st. I'm Ry'ael, and I'm here with my co-host, Shalom! Coming live from the Kid Cave. Now please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Before we get into what Shalom brought for you guys today, just a quick reminder. Make sure to wash your hands and stay sanitized. So Shalom, what toys did you bring today?
My racing cars.
Your racing cars? Yes. Can we go take a look?
Yes, go check it out.
Okay. Wow, that's a big racetrack.
And the 2 cars.
And there's 2 cars. So which car do you want to be?
Maybe this one.
What color is it?
Purple.
So you'll be the purple car and I'll be the red car. On your mark, get set, go. Let's start.
Are you winning?
Nope, you're winning. Whoa! I'm catching up to you. All the way around, so you won. High five! And don't forget to come back for segment 2. They'll be doing some DIYs. Back to you, Dr. Bradley.
Good morning, everybody, and happy Wednesday to you.
Good morning.
Good morning, Miss Chode. How you doing today?
Doing great.
I'm doing really good. Thanks for asking.
How are you doing?
I'm doing awesome, and you want to know why I'm doing great?
I have a feeling.
Why?
Because we're wearing our favorite color.
Favorite colors. I
like,
love the color green. It's
me
my
too.
favorite color.
We're like favorite color twins.
I wonder what you guys are wearing. What is your favorite color? You're going to be in it all day. I think they'll be in their favorite color pajamas.
Well, that sounds like a good plan to me.
Yeah, we already have pajama days, so we'll see what else is out there.
I don't know. I can't wait to see the pictures, though, on Facebook.
Yes, please make sure you put them up there. And tomorrow is going to be read to your favorite stuffed animal.
Right.
Right. That would be super cool. Maybe you can do a short video to upload to Facebook. That would be really cool. I'd like to see what they're reading and then who
they're
favorite
reading
stuffed
with,
animal is.
Yeah.
That's going to be great.
Yeah.
All right, well, boys and girls, we hope you're doing well. And Mrs. Choate, I heard that we had a email sent in with a joke.
We do. We have a joke from Jacob in Mrs. Tran's class.
Thank you, Jacob.
So, Dr. Fradley.
Yes.
Why wouldn't you give Elsa a balloon?
Why wouldn't I give Elsa a balloon? Well, first of all, who's Elsa?
Oh, Elsa. Elsa, like the major star of Frozen?
Oh, Frozen.
Frozen.
I saw that one time. Okay, all right. Why wouldn't I give Elsa a balloon? I don't know. She seemed pretty nice. I'd give her a balloon, but why wouldn't you?
Well, because Elsa would let it go.
Let it go. She would let it go. So that's probably if you don't want to do that.
That's
so.
a good one. Thanks,
That
Jacob.
was great, Jacob.
I hope we get more jokes.
Yeah, they got us to sing on the news.
Mm-hmm.
All right, guys, stay healthy, stay calm, do what you can do at home. Be very nice to your moms and dads out there, okay? They are working very hard for you. And we hope to see you soon. Bye.
Bye.
Welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a DIY. For today's arts and crafts, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your very own paper squishy. So let's get into the video. Everything that you'll need is some tape, a piece of paper, it can be blank or lined, cotton, crayons and markers of your choice, and scissors. What you're going to be doing is, first, you have to draw out your design onto the piece of paper and make sure your paper is folded so you can have a front and a back of your squishy. As you can see, I made a tortilla chip dipped in some nacho cheese. After that, you're supposed to draw your design and fill it in with color. And after that, you put some tape on it, so it is kind of hard and it's protected and it won't break. After that, you take your scissors and cut out your design, and you're also supposed to place some tape on the back, so the back of your design can also be hard. So let's cut this out. As you can see, you have a front and a back to your little squishy. So now that your front and back is laminated, what you want to do is take another piece of tape, not too big and not too small, and I'm going to cut it off with this. And what you're going to do is you're going to tape the front and back together and leave one side open so you can fill it with stuffing. So how the best way to do this is take your first side, put some tape on it, take your back, and then fold the piece of tape over and cut off any excess tape. And then you're going to do the same thing for the other side. So we take some more tape. Take that side and cut off any excess tape. Now all that's left to do is put in some stuffing. And you don't put in too much stuffing at a time because then your squishy won't be squishy at all and it'll be super hard. Take one more time. To close, I'm gonna put this in half. Close that, and the sides that weren't taped, you tape those together. And now you have your very own paper squishy. In a previous thing, I made this Ritz crackers. It's a package, and I'm gonna finish this off. And there you have it. You have your very own paper squishies. And this is how all of them turned out. We have a Snickers bar, front and back. We have a Pop-Tart, 2 donuts with drizzle, and then we have a Ritz cracker. I hope you enjoyed this DIY. Now let's stand for the power pledge. I'm a power Ry'ael uniformed and dressed. I pledge to follow Ry'ael rules and always do my best. I'll be proactive, choose and take responsibilities. I'll show respect to others and their properties. I'll say goes put first things first and do what I'm assigned. My attitude will be win-win with safety rules in mind. I'll listen so I'll understand and follow all directions. I'll be responsible for my behavior and corrections. With teamwork I will soar with more and others synergize. I'll renew and sharpen up with power as my prize. All right.